morning guys, welcome back to my channel. Today it is February 20th and Kiki, Kayla and I were actually going to a couple J-Hope Cupsleeve events. I know that it's after his birthday, but some of the events are running till the end of this weekend, so we decided to go check them out and get like a couple little goodies, and then we're gonna go to Hongdae and go shopping a bit. I just finished getting ready. My hair's kind of doing a weird thing, so I ended up changing my entire look for today, so I'll show you guys my outfit. Here's my outfit for today. I'm wearing an all white outfit, so I have my classic white turtleneck from Uniqlo, and then I have these white loose fitting mom jeans that I recently got from H&M in Busan, my H&M belt, and then I threw over my green and cream shacket from Zoffel as like the coat. I'm going to wear my Teddy Blake purse as my purse today to match like the all white look. I was gonna wear something different, but I feel like this is more the vibe, and then I'm gonna wear Air Force Ones as well. So I'm really excited to go to the Cupsleeve events because I haven't been to a Cupsleeve event yet in Korea. I've only been to the one Cupsleeve event in Toronto for Jimin's birthday, so this is going to be my very first BTS Cupsleeve event in Korea. I'm hoping that I'll be able to go to every single member's birthday Cupsleeve events, not to every one or just as many as that I can go to. I am planning on doing like a whole little Cupsleeve vlog series for each member, or a video for each member, so if you guys are interested in seeing that, comment down below and give this video a thumbs up. Yeah, I'm really excited.
It's a draft. Yeah. All my friends pulled up for good vibes. We know that the goodbyes could mean going too soon. We ain't tryna live forever. Just live it up. Baby, I know life's better when I'm with you.
We just left the first cafe and we're going to Mapo for the other two, but we're gonna eat lunch first. This one was kind of small and they didn't really have like a lot of decorations, but the lady was really nice and she gave us extra cup sleeves and photo cards, so I'm gonna give those to my friend who's Hobie biased when she gets out of quarantine. So we're just walking to the subway station. It's gonna be another hour to get there, and we chugged the coffee, so we're probably gonna have to go to the washroom.
No, I gotta go now.
And that cafe was called Yuha? Not Yeehaw. And then the other cafe is called Chris Garden, and that cafe, they always do like K-pop Cupsleeve events, and I think that one's gonna be decked out, so I'm really excited to go to that one. I'll see you guys in a little bit. There's a big poster up there, so we're going to Chris Gardens on the 3rd floor.
Tell me, babe, why are we playing games? It's you and me. Everybody else, they notice it. Baby, focus in on me. Make a move, it's on you. 'Cause I've been up all night, drinking this wine, telling you things, telling you right. Bet it on me, you know you won't lose. I'm laying it out, sorry for you, keeping me waiting.
We're at Chris Garden right now, and we got 4 cup sleeves. So we have the leftover Jungkook ones, and then here's Hobie, and we got a Tay one too. She let us take pictures off the wall, so I picked these 3.
Know everything about you, never slip.
She let us take another one. We just left Chris Garden. We're going to our last location. It's literally like 1 minute away from.
Already?
Yeah, there was only 3 that we could find on Twitter. I got the jamong juice, so grapefruit juice, and then we got a whole bunch of stuff, which I'll show everything later. Oh yeah, we're literally almost there, so I'll check in with you guys when we get to the other one.
Is it the world's right and you're wrong? I'ma stick with ya. Ain't nothing in the world I can't fix with ya. Waiting on this time, waiting on this
Don't mind if I do.
time, are you? 'Cause I've been up all night, drinking this wine, telling you things, telling you right. Bet it on me, you know you won't lose. I'm laying it out, sorry for you, keeping me waiting.
안녕하세요.
I ain't like them, all of them fake. Best friends and lovers, nothing to prove. I'm laying it out, I'm telling you to you. So baby, Now, honey, what's the movement? Isn't me all you do?
They have a room for Mickey. I'm dead. So cute. Look at all of these pictures. And then they have a Mickey wall.
Cause I've been up all night, picking this wine, telling you things, doing you right.
We just left that other cafe. It was like Cafe Shisuta? I don't know. Shista. And the coffee was not good. So sad about it, but you know, it'd be like that sometimes. Should we just go to that Mexican place?
Yeah, they're on break from 3 to 5.
Should we just go to the Mexican place and share something?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, we're gonna go get late lunch because Key wants to film a mukbang later, so we can't eat like too much food because we're gonna be eating a lot later.
Yeah, fasting afterwards.
Yeah, good. But we went to all of the events that we found on Twitter, so I'm satisfied. I'm happy.
Yeah.
And we're still going to shop a little bit.
Oh, hell yeah.
Okay, let's go in here. I hope so. Oh, yeah. So here's the food. There's chicken, steak, and shrimp. Shrimp's all for Key though. And then here are all the sides. And tortillas. We got back from the different cup holder events probably like a couple hours ago. I just wanted to show you guys the different cup sleeves and extra goodies that I got while we were out today. So the first cafe we went to was called Yuha Jekwa. That one was small. I only ordered an iced Americano and it was about $2. So this is the cup sleeve that we got from the first cafe. And then we also got photo cards from there. I didn't remember where I put them for a second. We actually got doubles of everything. I got 2 stickers. And then there are these 2 different photo cards. And then on the back, there's just some messages. Those were the photo cards that we got from the first cafe. Like I said, I got doubles. So I'm going to give my friend Casey 1 set. The second cafe we went to was Chris Garden, and this cafe does pretty much all K-pop birthday events. I've seen so many pictures online from this specific cafe. We got there. I ordered the jamong juice, which is grapefruit juice, and I got these meringue dessert things with pretzels on them, and you get a whole bunch of stuff with that. I think I spent maybe $10 and then I got a bunch of things. This is the Hobie cup sleeve. But then I also got one for Tae and Jin. I'm assuming that they just had extras and they were just giving them out for all of them. And then I got 2 Jungkook ones. So this is the first one. And then this is the second one. Got 4 cup sleeves in total from Chris Garden. You also get a J-Hope poster. I think this is from the winter package. He looks good. So that's exciting. We also got Jin and Tae envelopes. This is what this envelope looks like. Got a Jungkook envelope. This one has stuff in here. I got a couple Jimin stickers. Oh, here's another one. And then I got some Tae stickers. So many goodies. I don't even know where I'm going to end up putting the stickers though. I have to find a place. I have my photo card book now, so I can put my new photo cards in there. And then I got 4 Jungkook photo cards. So these are all the ones that came in the envelope. Love those. And then the backs look like this. The other 2 just had plain white backs. And then for the Hobie photo card, it just says our Hobie on it. And then there's this cute transparency looking one, which is like a drawing. So this is what this one looks like. I love that. Also, at Chris Garden, they had pictures on the wall, which you'll see in my vlog, and he said at 3 o'clock we were able to pick 3 pictures off the wall. These are the 3 pictures that I took off the wall, just awesome, some selfies. I showed them earlier. A couple of the ones that I wanted, I already knew that some of the other girls in the cafe were gonna go for them, so I just didn't even bother. But I thought these ones were all cute, and I like color scheme of these, so I feel like they all go really nicely together. Oh yeah, this one was also included in the little set thing that we got and we paid for. He actually let us pick another one, so I got 4 and I picked this one. This one was slightly bigger than the other ones, because we didn't know we could pick the ones off of the like bottom part, so he said we could pick one more and I picked this one. I love that one. So that's all the stuff from Chris Garden. We got a lot of stuff from there for $10, so I'm really happy with that. And then the last cafe is called Cafe Schiste. Yeah, Schiste. And this is what the cup sleeve looks like. I ordered an Americano from there, but honestly it wasn't very good. We got 2 little goodie bags here. So this is a little sticker set, I think. You have the little closure. I miss you, Hobie. Oh god, I'm ripping it, but sorry. These are all just like lyrics. His name, little drawings. Oh, I really like these. So these just look like a shirt from Dynamite. I got 2 of each sticker, so hope. And oh, I really like this one too. These are so fun. So that was the little sticker set that you get, and then this other package. So you get this picture, and you get a little chicken noodle soup postcard too. These are fun. I'll probably end up putting those on my fridge. Wow! More stickers and photo cards. Oh my goodness, there's so many stickers. I literally don't know what I'm gonna do with all of them. Oh, okay, if any of you guys have gone to photo card events and you've gotten stickers, can you tell me what you do with them? Like, do you actually stick them in places or do you put them in like a book? Because I don't know. I love these pictures. The picture I was gonna take off the wall at Chris Garden was a winter package picture. But I did order the winter package, so that's probably gonna be included. Little sequence of photos from a fan sign, I think. And then on the back of these, it spells out his name. So that's really cute. I actually got double of these. The last little goodie bag, I got a sticker, chicken noodle soup sticker. Just his name, love myself. Oh my god, I have so many. I'm so spoiled today. Selfie, and then this one. Oh, and then the last photo cards that I got are these ones. Oh, these all have things on the back too. Cute. Well, they messed up on this. It says chicken noodle soup. I think it's supposed to be like 1st anniversary, but they put 1 ND. That doesn't matter. It's still a cute card. And then there's like a QR code on the back. And then this one says, I don't care. Wherever my way, just trust myself, J-Hope. And then it says the same thing on the back. And then these, yeah, these are all like chicken noodle soup 1st anniversary. I really like this one. Damn. I'm so happy with all of the stuff that I got. I feel so spoiled. I'm gonna go and organize these into my photo card books. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this vlog. Like I said, I want to do a whole series with the other members. The next one is going to be Yoongi, and I'm so excited for that. There weren't a lot of J-Hope events just because his birthday already passed. So I think a lot of the events already ended, but these ones we were lucky enough to find a couple this weekend because I can't really go out during the week just because of work. This was so fun, so I can't wait to do more of these, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.